Day 12 of 84. Full protocol, upper cross focus. This is foundation phase, week 2, and today runs about 25 minutes. Let's go through it. Inhibit, 6 minutes, 3 moves. Suboccipital Release, 2x60s. By now you should be able to find your spots quickly and relax into them. Upper Trap Ball Release, 2x60s per side. Work both the upper fibers and the area closer to the spine. Pec Minor Ball Release, 2x60s per side. If comfortable on the floor, use the floor version for more pressure. Lengthen, 6 minutes, 4 moves. Doorway Chest Stretch, 2x30s. Focus on the breath. Exhale to relax deeper into the stretch. Upper Trap Stretch, 2x30s per side. Add a gentle overpressure with the hand. Never force. Scalene Stretch, 2x30s per side. Same cues as before. Median Nerve Glide, 2x10 per side. Smooth and rhythmic. Activate, 8 minutes, 4 moves. Chin Tucks, 2x12. Focus on endurance. Consistent quality across all 12. Scapular Retractions, 2x15. Prone, increase to 15 reps, 3s holds. Wall Angels, 2x12. Increase to 12 reps. Full contact with wall throughout. Chin Tucks with head lift, 2x10. Increase to 10 reps, 5s holds. Integrate, 5 minutes, 2 moves. Thread the needle, 2x8 per side. Exhale to rotate through, increased reps. Bear Crawl Hold, 2x25s. Try to reduce tension in the neck while holding. Jaw relaxed, neck long. Posture checkpoint. Before each meal today, do a posture reset. Stand tall, inhale, shrug shoulders up to your ears, then exhale and let them drop and settle back. Repeat 3 times, then sit down to eat. That's day 12 done, 72 to go. Subscribe to follow the rest of the program. And if you'd rather have it timed and counted for you, Posture 12 is free at posture12.com/get.